fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we're going to do the walk around on the Bonnie Rebel, on the new Triumph Bonneville SE T100, whatever you want to call it, but it's my bike and I absolutely love it. So we're going to do the walk around. I want to show you the bike in all its magnificence. It's I've had a few spins on it and stuff, so I haven't got a chance to wash it and have it gleaming up, but you get the general sense how class the bike is with the walkthrough. So we're going to go up here to the AAT arena, and I'm going to go up to the innovation park up here, and we're going to go to the bike up there, and in a nice setting with a nice backdrop, you know, and we're just going to run through everything. Happy days. I have the bike for 2 weeks now, I think. No, on the videos it's the next week, but yeah, so I have the bike nearly 2 weeks today actually, yeah. So working out fantastic. I changed the mirrors already, got rid of the big mirrors, so put my own little touch on it. I thought the small mirrors would be a bit weird, but they're actually not. They're actually really nice. I really like them. I'll have a look at other mirrors. I might get bigger ones, to be honest, but you know, they do the job, they do what I need for now anyway. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, as you say. The Bonnies are not a fan of a speed ramp. As you may have noticed going over those speed ramps there, they are not fans of them. They're not made for going over speed bumps, let's be honest, you know. So that's the way it is. So we're going to pop over here, and then we're going to have a run through of the bike and all its classiness. Right, let's relax her up and let's make the video. I'm just going to detach the camera and we'll have a look at the property. Okay, so here's the bike walk around. We'll have a look and, you know, have a look at this beauty. So first of all, it's a Triumph Bonneville SE. Some people say it's not a T100, it's just an SE, but they're basically the same, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. Like I said previously, I love it. So it's a Bonneville, it's gorgeous, and it's mine. So cool. Alright, so let's have a look. Look at the engine. The engine's near perfect. These bars here, I'm going to try to get some pink stuff to bring them back up to colour like they are down here. But they could be cleaner, but you know what I mean. Your old Triumph stickers and stuff there. Yeah, engine's hot Rebel. So, and look, the brakes and the pegs are really different. They're really modern, but that's what the good thing about this bike is, that it's modern, but it's classic as well. So you can have a bit of everything on it, which is great, and I don't think it'll take away the look of it at all. So yeah, they're a while getting used to those for a while, but just like everything, you get used to it and you'll be flying. Everything's clean there, as you can see. Someone, I don't know much about shocks, but when the lad said the shocks are really good on that, so really happy with that. Sprockets seem to be good too in here, along there. The chain seems pretty good as well. I've had a look around the chain and stuff like that. Very happy with that. Tyres, nice bit of depth in them as well. So give me a second, get the keys and look. So yeah, there seems to be a nice bit of depth in the tyres. So as you can see there, depth in the tyres there. I love the mag wheels. They're really cool, really different. You know, Bridgestone on the front and the back tyres as well. So really good. We go back on the lights and stuff. I really love the lights. They're real classic lights, you know, real old school lights. So oh look, I don't care about the reg, it's really good. I'm gonna get a reg and I'm gonna get Deise Rebel on it anyway. So yeah, I love the back tail lights, classic styling, and that's just class. I love it. Yeah, we'll go along the bottom bit and then we'll go along the top, then we'll have a look then, okay? So then discs, shocks as well, again look really good. Pipes on each side. This is my first bike with 2 exhausts on each side, so that is nice as well. Said foot pegs and stuff as well. That goes far back. It's hard to push it in, but like a couple of goes and the WD-40 on it, then it's good then as well. Flying, good choke on that, that's handy as well, really handy. And look, again, the engine like is just fantastic, and here as well, you know, it's absolutely fantastic. Pipes, real, everything there. The radiator, it's very clean, you know, here as well. The brakes and stuff. So he done the calipers was leaking before I was left Dublin. Well, he didn't give it to me, he wanted to do the calipers a few days, but I did need to bring it down that day, so they changed the calipers within an hour, which was fantastic. So again, thanks to John and Eugene, terrific guys, and I wish him the best of luck. They seem to be knocking it out the park up there. The forks look really clean, all good. You have your side, you have your ignition key for on the side here as well. Pretty good. The front guards, look, mud guards, near perfect as well. This is probably the first time I looked at it properly since buying it. You know, when you have sparkly eyes and you're like, oh, this bike, yeah. When you have a proper look on it, tax till the 6th as well, that's nice, little touch as well. It's the horn on the front. Again, the mag wheels, the wheels look really good, and I think it's going to be easy to keep clean. Again, nice bit of tyre depth as well, you know, so happy out with that. And then the front, so we go from the front backwards. Lights, look at these, I love these lights, look, just magnificent, really nice lights. I've changed actually the mirrors already, so I've had to change them. I was trying to move it over and a little piece came loose, so I had to forced to change them actually, but I actually really like the look of it now. Brakes, everything is good as well. They're small, but they're actually pretty nifty on the road. You can see everything, you know. So I might keep them that size, or I might go a little bit bigger, I don't know, but I'll go for a few spins with it. If I'm happy with it on the bigger roads, then they'll stay. Heated grips as well, which is fantastic, delighted with that. All your usual stuff there, and then you have your speedometer. I just love the interface, it's just really old school. Yeah, it's just I love it. Then you have your brake fluid, throttle lights here, little USB as well. I'll show you now. Little USB is super handy. I need to get a phone holder actually for that, to use that properly, but that's a really handy little extra on it there, and it works as well. There's a flip cap then, you know, so that's handy, but I want to get one with a lock on it as well. Flip cap is handy, but I need to get a lock on it as well. Look, the tank itself, this is the major one. Look at the two-tone on that, blue and white, up to Deise. The little grips here as well. It's just the styling is just fantastic. I absolutely love it. Instead I'll clean that anyway. Braided lines here, which are great. Like I said, the colour of the tank, look at it. It's just wow. Happy Deise Rebel. So this is the Bonnie Rebel now. So the newest Rebel in the line is the Bonnie Rebel. You know, it's a simple name, but this bike is just simplicity and beautiful, and there's no point complicating the name on it. Now, as for the seat, yeah, There's one thing I don't, not that I don't like it, but I'm not a fan. I'm not a great fan of it. I won't have it for long. The seat. I got in contact with one of the best guys in Waterford, probably the best guy one of the best guys in Ireland, I would say. From all the detailing that I've done, so he's going to do the seat for me. So he's going to repad it. So I'll show you now. So he's going to repad it. See the size of it there, look, in the back of it. You can see it back here then as well. Like the back of it is massive. So it's like someone done their homemade job, and that's really padded there, but there's not as much padding here, and it's not great comfort. Like I wouldn't want to keep that for long and go on long spins and stuff like that. So the plan is to get some design with blue stitching there. I won't tell you what it is because I want to show you when the video comes out, when I get it done. And I'm going to get this redone. This is a key part of the seat to get redone, so either paint it or get it embossed, one or the other. But yeah, I'm going to get this, going to get it done, and it's going to look absolutely superb. I cannot wait to get it done. It's an extra few bob, but you know something, it's well worth putting into the bike, for me anyway, definitely. Again, you got the tank, everything like that. It's not else really. It's just magnificent, like, you know, clutch and everything is working, and brakes, everything's working fantastic, you know. We'll turn on the lights, shall we give a look at the lights. Might be something else to show. Yeah, so you got your lights there, so they're pretty good. I really like them. And then we got our backlights, obviously. You know, it's really, get this now. Oh yeah, so you can see with the backlight there. Oh, I'll try to get it there. Yeah, nice and strong there as well. So you can see, like, it's just a beautiful machine. Really is. Yeah, fantastic. Oh yeah, you have your passenger pegs there as well, which are handy, but I won't be using them. Oh, I didn't even see the Triumph written on them. That's cool. Till I get my full license, and I will go for it soon, and I'll start it up and give you the sound of it in a second now. So I can actually do the sound on it. Nice, huh? Nice sound. I turn it off now. There's probably people working around here and stuff, but I just leave it running. But yeah, so that's my new 2011 Triumph Bonneville SE Bonnie Rebel, and I love it, and I can't wait for you to join me on my adventures, because they're going to be epic on this. Like, it's definitely a head turner now, big time. Turned off there now. It's definitely a head turner, big time. I've got loads of people coming in to when it's in the garden and stuff like that, and when I'm out and about, and even people on the videos that chatting to me when I'm going around Waterford when I'm not even on the bike and stuff like that, and they're loving the bike. So yeah, this is 2011 Triumph Bonneville, baby. I'm gonna have plenty of good and fun days on this. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed looking at the bike. and hopefully you could join the Triumph Bonneville family as well, because like I said, I only have it about 2 weeks and it's an unbelievable bike already. Absolutely love it. Yeah, again, let's enjoy the new adventures on the Bonnie Rebel, and until next time, Deise Rebel out.